We're going to be making potato salad, and we're gonna be using 3 potatoes, and we're gonna peel and dice them. So we chopped it to about this size. So we have 2 small bell peppers here, and we're just gonna cut them to this size. Okay, so we have the potatoes washed and cut and peeled. 1 cup of snow peas. This is the 2 medium chopped peppers. Teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of honey, teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of diced onions, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So you have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. To boil 3 eggs. So we're gonna cut 1 green onion. We're going to put the potatoes to boil for 10 minutes in 4 cups of water. Okay, so we're gonna mix all of these ingredients together. So this is the 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and then we have the salt here, paprika, and honey. Just gonna mix it together. Okay, so we boiled the potatoes for 10 minutes, we boiled the snow peas for 1 minute, and we boiled the eggs for 3 minutes. And now this is done. So now we're gonna set it aside and let it cool before we add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to let the eggs cool, and then we will peel them. So we're gonna cut up the eggs. So we're gonna put the eggs in the pot with the potatoes and the peas, the bell peppers. I'm gonna put the onion. Just gonna kind of stir it gently, so not to mash anything. This is the honey, paprika, and lemon juice mixture.